Gretchen, what you doing, girl? Gracie, move your butt. Heidi, what you doing, sweetie? Huh? You little cutie. Oliver, come here. Come see, bud. Oliver. Does that feel good, Gretchen? You got bad bags, you poor thing. Come on, guys. Come on, Heidi. Good girl. Oliver, what's he doing? You sniffing that little puppy? Oliver. Gracie. Hey, sweetie. Gretchen. Okay. Heidi. Heidi. What you doing, sweetie? Get the toys. Come on, bring them here. Guess not. Not today, huh? Too hot for that. Gretchen. Hello, Maggie. Well, hello, Peanut. Oh, you little sweetie. Come on, sweetie. It's all right. Peanut, I see you. Come here, Maggie. Come here, Maggie. Oh. It's all right. Oh, get it, Peanut. Come on, guys. Come here. It's okay. These dogs are loud, I know. Oh, Maggie, it's okay. I see you, Peanut. It's all right. Peanut, what you doing?